My correct people on a day on a well done. Welcome to this our news channel. I beg, if you never subscribe to our news channel, make una do well to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Make it they get ogbonge and confirm update from our channel. This will not be them say. It good when you dey hear am for yourself. On today entertainment news, while I be like skincare routine. One girl come out, they talk about brand. They talk say some skin brand not good for some people. Say they not sabi, say they go just they mix chemical anyhow they give people with they use. Say it no make sense. She can't mention Jenny Glow, can't say Jenny Glow. Say now one of the brand will not go for us. Say she know how many thousands where she pay for that brand, that skin product. Say nothing. Say the things scatter her skin. She just they tease, they talk many things about different skin products. So she come on TikTok. They talk for TikTok, share am for her page. Now dear Jenny Glow Spark will say why she go they do that kind of thing. Say why she go they spoil her product. Say even if she bad mouth her product. Say people still the way they use her product and they still they patronize them every day. Say people they patronize them 247. Say not get the get want a bad mouth her product where people know to compare. My people, before we know matter don't escalate, so now they can't arrest this girl for nights. My people can watch the video, we can see.
Jenny's Glow arrested my sister this evening.
You came at night to come and arrest a young girl.
All these products now, it's not like after using Jenny's Glow, I'll jump immediately. I will wait for my skin to heal before someone will tell me, okay, Amaka, use this, I'll go and use.
Skincare is a choice, okay? So I see no reason why anybody's trying to chase clients or using me to gain followers, because this is obviously intentional. You use this one, use that one, you're only you. And you are that skin. What were you trying to achieve? What were your aim? And now you are busy calling everybody and you are enjoying the publicity and many lies you are giving out.
See, if I called out Jenny's Glow, it's because she's telling nonsense. And I'm seeing some insensitive comments. People are saying, you're spoiling somebody's business, blah blah blah. I'm spoiling somebody's business as how? Do you know how much this lady took from me? Do you know how many times I went to their store in Lekki? Do you know the damage she brought to me? Do you know the depression I went through because of her? I said I should not call her Jenny's Glow. She and Posh Glue, in fact, all the whole brands that I've used that did rubbish to my skin and likes of people's skin that I know, I will call them out, telling me bullshit, this on that one. Should rest though. That rest, it's 2023. If you try to act smart on the name of your selling skincare, and because for the fact that okay, you need money and all, and you want people to be calling you CEO of this, CEO of that, and you're selling rubbish, we'll call you out.
TikTok people can create anything just to trend. These people can lie that they lost their father, their mother. They can lie to trend for anything. If you have issues with my product or anything, any product, go to court. Bring your proof. That's it. Don't come and be stressing me. You are stressing me. Why you brag? You are using me to gain followers. At the mention of my name, you want to gain followers. If you have a point, you have a goal. This is skincare. I don't know why you guys like the lies. This is reality. I remember a few weeks ago, I saw that they were calling out this Kylie product. This Kylie people, this Kim Kardashian, the younger sister, the product. People call that, go to YouTube, you see people saying bad things about popular brands like all those Nivea, all those popular foreign products. There's no way in fact, when it comes to skincare, all those comments are normal. So I think I'm used to it. They dragged me last year and we are still here. The day I did sales, the last 50% sales I did, I had sales. So my sister, you know the year say, I be no transfer, no leave, no transfer. This is skincare. Soldier go, soldier come. If you go today, you don't want to buy. Another person will leave another skincare brand and come here. If they rotate.
Baffle me the most is that these celebrities that influence for them don't use it. They don't use their products. We end up wasting our money buying products that are not worth it. Like you see yourself in looking so old, looking older than your age because you're using an organic skincare. I don't understand. Please, you need to call out all of them. Those ones that you don't remember. If you know people that have tampered with your skin or people that have tampered with your friend's skin, call them, drag them. This has to stop. And I don't even know what They even need to be arrested safe. I don't know what people are doing about it. If I have enough money, I will sue them. Because what?
Jenny's Glow arrested my sister this evening. Guys, that's my younger sister. That's my younger sister. She made videos about this brand damaging her skin. She's my younger sister. So Jenny's Glow came to my parents' house this evening. I'm married. I don't live with them. I got a call from my immediate elder that they came to arrest her. And I have videos of everything right here. Jenny's Glow, release my sister. Release my sister. I don't use your brand or whatsoever. Release my younger sister. If anything happens to her, it shall not be well with you and your generation. Release my sister. I'm not sure she's the only person that has been complaining of your nonsense brand. So release her. You have no right to arrest my sister. How dare you?
You came at night to come and arrest a young girl because of what? Because she complained about a product destroying her. I don't know anything about myself, but I will make this a record. I don't know where you are taking my sister to. And if Jenny's Glow's hand is in this case, God is going to judge her. She's stupid and useless. What does she know about chemistry? She's mixing useless products, selling to people. She thought she has the money to bring police, Abby. She knows she has money to bring police. Useless set of people. Jenny's Glow, God will punish her. Whosoever you've given money to come and arrest what? Useless people. She collected goods. Which goods? Haven't you used product and your product did not work? Haven't you bought things from online and it did not work for you? For you to do review about something does not mean that you don't know what you are saying.
My people, open I don't watch the video, read the end. While I be like skin routine, no. While I for now they use cream for body. My people, what do not think concerning this video? She did the girl, so the brand owner, she do well to arrest this girl. Abi she not do well to arrest this girl. What do not feel? Who they right, who they wrong? I would like to know. Make una drop una comment for comment section. Now this one we bring today for our entertainment news. Don't forget to share and like this our video. Until we meet again for another news, make una stay safe. Una do.